Urja, the Commerce Department Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, with the purview of learning and acquiring a plethora of skills, incepted the society in 2004. Under the guidance of our convener Dr. Kaval Gill ma'am and head of the department Dr. Gurminder Kaur ma'am, Urja is a team of 50 plus inquisitive members who believe in learning and working together as a team to explore the world of commerce, finance, marketing, and entrepreneurship. We at Urja focus on positively motivating the lives of our members by vying for their overall development through proper emphasis on their leadership and management skills by sharing and gaining experiences in various fields. For this, we organize various competitions, events, seminars, sessions, and workshops to increase the knowledge and skills of our members. We have 5 departments, namely Content and Research, Design Curation, Corporate Communications, Public Relations, and Marketing, where all the members work relentlessly throughout the year. Let me introduce you to the core team for the session 2020 and 21. We have 5 office bearers with Gursadak Singh as the President, Mehak Khurana as the Vice President, Sifti Baveja as the General Secretary, Aditya Tambi as the Treasurer, and Lakshay Gupta as the Joint Secretary. We have 2 senior executive members and 8 department heads who have a vision to inspire students and motivate them with the center thought of personality development, leadership, and management skills. Confluentia is the annual Commerce Fest of Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, which is a 2-day event consisting of 2 sub-events, Achievers United and The Metal. Held in the month of February, it witnesses renowned speakers and entertainers from various industries along with exciting competitions and fillers. Achievers United is the flagship event which involves eminent speakers and personalities from different industries who enlighten the audience with their experiences and knowledge, creating a fun-filled learning environment for all. Achievers United witnessed over 1,500 attendees across University of Delhi and a panel of speakers from various industries. Urja became the pioneer of having our current cabinet minister, Shri Nitin Gadkari, as our honorable chief guest. Our star performers were stand-up comedian and runner-up of Comicstan Season 1, Rahul Dua, and Punjabi singer, Jagraj Sandhu. We also had a panel of speakers from the corporate world, Mr. Saurabh Jain, Vice President Paytm, Mr. Kumar Sharandandu, MD and CEO of SBI Pension Funds, Mr. Atul Vasan, who is an Indian cricketer, and Mr. Vikrant Batra. The Metal comprises of invigorating and captivating commerce-related competitions and fellows which intend to pull in business maniacs and commerce enthusiasts by providing them a competitive platform to put their knowledge to test and exhibit their talent and innovative skills. This year has been truly challenging for all of us because of the pandemic, but Urja was the only society who started its working in June 2020 with our first event, that was a webinar organized on 14th June. It witnessed over 1,400 registrations and 3K views on YouTube live stream. Our audience included diverse students from various countries like Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, and other South Asian countries. With the success of our first webinar, we organized a second webinar on 12th July. It was also premiered live on YouTube and witnessed over 2,500 plus registrations and 4K views on YouTube live stream. Urja endeavors to undertake a plethora of projects aimed towards increasing student awareness about the latest happenings and developments in the field of commerce. We recently initiated a podcast series wherein we explored the hardships of life, laughter, and inspirational stories of some of the most outstanding personalities like Dr. Krishnamurthy Subramanian, the Chief Economic Advisor to the Government of India, star comedian Mr. Javeshu Ahluwalia, and co-founder of the Man Company, Mr. Bisham Bateja. The podcast series Let's Go Candid with Urja is available on our YouTube channel and also on various other platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. Next is BuzzFeed, which is our monthly newsletter published in order to educate inquisitive minds, with each edition covering all major topics related to finance, commerce, and economics. In promise of giving its readers an insight into the world of commerce, Urja released the first edition of the annual magazine with 100 pages, that was Wismith 1.0 for the years 2019 and 20. The magazine was released with the aim of providing our audience with recent updates, captivating information of various aspects which not only included business and finance but also entertainment, art, and much more. Here is a glimpse of some special fun moments from our previously organized events. Apart from work, we believe in bonding with one another informally as well. We have an unofficial group where initially you might get startled by the amount of messages you may receive every day. We have many informal events like movie and music nights, game nights, apart from numerous discussions on things ranging from choosing subjects to exam date sheets to various topics of everyday life. Sometimes it happens that while everybody at GGS is attending their lectures, we're all watching Netflix together. You will definitely have the best experience of your life with our unique culture of fun-filled learning, and we hope that you form endless memories that you will cherish forever. Urja also launched its website this year, the best way to keep our viewers glued to us through our valuable content and attractive designs. You may surely visit our website.
Welcoming you with happiness in our hearts, welcoming you with joy and excitement, welcoming you with a proud team. We at Urja are all set to welcome you all for a much awaited journey of your life. If you vouch for continuous learning and exponential growth, then this is definitely the thing for you. Join us as we embark on a journey of new experiences to not only live our college life to the fullest, but to discover a family for life.
Registrations for the session 2020 and 21 are now open. Don't miss out on this opportunity and get yourself registered on the website, or you can link into www.urjascgscc.com/recruitment.